Hello guys, in this video, I will share with you one of the best trading strategies that have the highest winning rate and the best risk to reward ratio. You can use this strategy alone and be profitable, or you can use it with other combinations to fit your trading personality. So here is exactly what will be used in this strategy. 1. Support and resistance. 2. Tradable range. 3. Candlestick continuation pattern. First, let's start with identifying support and resistance. Support is an area where the buyers start taking control over sellers and pushing the price up. Resistance is an area where the sellers start taking control over buyers and pushing the price down. So why do we identify support and resistance area? The support area is so important because the buyers are waiting for the price to come back to this area to start taking control over sellers and pushing the price up again, as we can see here in this example. Same thing with the resistance area, but here the sellers are waiting for the price to come back to this area for taking control over buyers and pushing the price down again, as we can see here in this example. Now, let's start learning how to identify a tradable range. What does range mean? Is the difference between the price of support and resistance, to support, or to resistance. Two types of range we'll use to trade in this strategy. First one, clean range. The clean range represents candles that have a big body going in the same direction. The second one is the wick range, so as the name describes, it's a range that just formed from a long wick candle. Now let's move on to the Japanese candlesticks. Every candle consists of a body and one or two tails called shadows sticking out of it. The body indicates the range between the open and close prices for a specific time frame, and the shadows represent the highest and lowest price levels reached for the set interval. If the closing price is above the opening price represented by a bullish candle, and it is recognized by a green candle. If the closing price is below the opening price represented by a bearish candle, and it is recognized by a red candle. A green candle shows that the price is going up, and a red one shows that the price is going down. There are many candlestick patterns, but we will use only two in this strategy. First one, the pin bar candlestick formed from a long and short wick with a small body. Pin bar candlesticks can be a reversal and continuation depending on their position. If it is close above support or below resistance, it gives us a reversal sign. But if it is close below support or above resistance, it gives us a continuation sign. The next one is the engulfing candlestick pattern. Consists of a red candle, followed by a bigger green one, which fully engulfs the red candle, or vice versa. Engulfing candlestick pattern can be a reversal or continuation depending on their position. If it is close above support or below resistance, it gives us a reversal sign. But if it is close below support or above resistance, it gives us a continuation sign. We are going to use all these trading tools together to take a high probability trade. First, we have to identify the support and resistance areas, and now after we mark this resistance area, we have to spot the tradable range, as we see these three candles give us a nice clean range to trade. And last we have to wait for the continuation candle to form and close above resistance, and this pin bar candle give us the sign to buy with stop loss below its wick or shadow, and take profit can be 2RR, risk to reward, or the next resistance area. And always remember waiting for the pin bar or engulfing continuation candle to confirm an entry position will help us not get trapped in a fake breakout. Let's see how we can use this strategy in the real market. Here, we have the Dow Jones in a 30-minute time frame. First, we draw the support areas. Second, we identify the tradable range, and these two candles give us a good clean range to trade. Finally, this pin bar continuation candle is close below support and gives us a nice short opportunity with a stop loss above its wick and targets the next support area. Another example of the Dow Jones 30-minute time frame. We have a support area test 2 times, and this big candle gives us a clean range to trade. Finally, we have an engulfing candle close below support, which gives us a good selling opportunity with a stop loss above its wick and target next support area. Another example of the Dow Jones 30-minute time frame. We draw the resistance areas, and this big candle gives us a clean range to trade. Finally, this engulfing candle gives us a nice confirmation for a long position with a stop loss below its wick and take profit next resistance area. In this crude oil 5-minute time frame, we have a strong resistance area test multiple times and a nice clean range to trade. Lastly, this engulfing candle closes above the resistance area and gives us a nice confirmation for a long position with stop loss below its wick and take profit next resistance area. In this example, we have the Australian dollar against the US dollar in the 5-minute time frame. First, we draw a support area, and after we draw the support area, we have to spot the tradable range, and these two candles give us a nice clean range to trade. Lastly, we need a confirmation for the entry price, and this engulfing candle close below support and give us a nice confirmation for a short position with stop loss above its wick and take profit the next support area. In the last example, we have silver in the 30-minute time frame. First, we draw support areas. Second, we identify the tradable range, and these candles give us a nice clean range to trade. Third, we need a confirmation for the entry price, and this engulfing candle closes below support and gives us a good entry with a stop above its wick and targets the next support area. This is the end of our first YouTube video. It takes a lot of time and effort. If you like it, see it as beneficial, and want more videos like this, please help us to grow by smashing the like button, subscribing and turning on the notification bell. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section, and we will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for spending your precious time with us. May God grant you success.